Assalamualaikum. I hope that there is my guys. I hope that fine, also fine. So actually, I want to I want to this is to market and return again this in our home. So this is my brother and I will go. I am going to in our house. So actually, যে তোমরা নিজেকে পরিবর্তন করতে চাইলে গেলা সবসময় সবসময় নিজেকে চেষ্টা করা লাগবো নিজেকে চেষ্টা করা লাগবো নিজে সবসময় ইংরেজিতে কথা কয় না বা যে কোনো বস্তু করে চাইলে গেলা নিজেই প্র্যাকটিস করা লাগবো তাহলে হ্যাঁ সাকসেস করা যাবো তো ইভেন ইউ ক্যান টু প্র্যাকটিস any this is yourself to self English to English any language. How can to prove your English? So this is to your English proof. You can practice your English all the time. And how you can make a sentence. So usually you can practice your English all this time and talking to any other. How you can to your improve this is your English. So any guys, you can to your improve your English and always time practice your English, understand? So I hope that this is my trick and reply on this. You can to try to your English, understand? So how you can to improve in our English. So actually I always time this is our mind English talking and how you can to improve in our English. So actually this is my practice. This is my practice. So actually 2 years in our English. And so here is my brother. So actually today is he enjoying because he went to this market and only sitting chocolate. So today he's very nice and she is very enjoy because he want to buy a chocolate and he was very enjoying.
This is a
today.
chocolate.
Okay, brother. Actually, this is my brother. Bye bye. I will see you next video. Tata.